Hello everyone, this is Rahul. So if you want to generate this type of image as the Sawan is coming soon, then I will show you in my mobile screen how to generate. So open ChatGPT, you have to upload your picture and you have to paste this prompt. So here you will see how the image is generated. So when you will generate this image, you will find it so perfect. And how to get this prompt? So for prompt, you can visit to this post, the first one, and comment as a prompt. Or it's better you directly visit to my Telegram channel and copy a prompt whichever you want. Here you will find a lots of prompt here. So I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.